What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a little quick update on what's going on. I was waiting on my rooster to get here. My cat, every time I get the camera out, my cat thinks I'm talking to him. Right, Kit Kat? Yeah, he thinks I'm talking to him, but I'm not. So y'all could just ignore him meowing in the background. Anyway, I was really expecting my rooster to show up, and it didn't. So I had gotten this frame from Ryan Harrell over at Mini Quad Test Bench. He's the guy who tests all the motors for us and everything, and he's got that website, Mini Quad Test Bench, where you can go over there and look at all the graphs. I can't read none of it. It's for like super smart people, but I've heard the information is awesome. But anyway, he is designing his own frames, and this is one that he did that takes the Chameleon parts and makes a true X out of it with swappable arms. And I really wanted to do a race flight build out of this, but I got impatient because my rooster didn't show up. So I just went ahead and took the guts off of another quad and put it on here. So I'm going to take this thing out and maiden it. My battery's just beat, so and now it's dark. Go back over here to the window. So I'm going to take this thing out. I'm going to rip a couple packs through it. It is cold outside. Let me see. 23 degrees out there. Very cold. So, wait. It just updated. 29 degrees. It's even better. So, I'm going to go out there, rip a couple of packs, give it a shot. Batteries are screaming at me. Let's go. Okay, I flew one pack through that thing. My initial thoughts was that was pretty awesome. It's been a long time since I've flown a true X configuration, so I didn't even think I was going to even be able to tell the difference in it, but I could. And it had me trying some maneuvers that I've never really even tried before because the way, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but first pack went great. I thought it was awesome. I'm going to charge up some batteries. We're cooking breakfast, and I'm going to rip it some more. almost lost it. Just built it last night.
That sucked, wasn't it?
Yeah, it'd be high. I flew 3 packs through the quad. I think it flies amazing. I didn't think that I was originally going to be able to tell a difference between a True X and whatever layout is of the Chameleon, because I fly the Chameleons. I've been flying them for a year straight. So I was able to actually tell that I thought that it did the flips and rolls a lot better and smoother. I could tell that all the axes was the same. But the trouble that I felt like I was having was actually I didn't feel like I was in control of the quad when I was going to like shoot through a gap. Doing the dive over here behind the house, I didn't really feel like that I had control of it. I did have control of it, but usually, I don't know what I'm saying. The Chameleon just seems to for me, it just puts itself where I want it to be, and then I just have to kind of fine tune it to get it to shoot a gap. So I wasn't having that I was having a little bit of trouble doing that with the Crush. This quad is called the Crush from Ryan Harrell. So thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Keep an eye out for my rooster build video. It's coming. Thank you.
While the leaves are brown, when the sky is green.